y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a braided, 2 braids on the side, and it's going to be like a low bun. So my hair is already pre-detangled. You make sure that you moisturize and seal your hair, and I'm going to be braiding down in a sideways angle. So you're going to start the braid off like you usually do in 3 sections. And if you're not using gel, y'all, I don't like to use gel on my hair constantly because my scalp is very sensitive, and I know people like, oh, you know, I put the gel on your scalp, but it being on your hair, it's gonna eventually get on your scalp. Well, you gotta sweat, but anyway. So I'm just gonna braid it the best and neatest way that I know how. Of course, it's gonna look frizzy, y'all. Like I said, I don't like that cow lick my head look. So I'm just gonna braid it sideways, because remember, these 2 braids that we're doing are gonna be low buns. Okay, just gonna braid it so y'all can see. And I'm actually twist this. As y'all can see, that braid is already done. So then I'm gonna do the next side. It's easier for me to braid on this side. Take it 3 pieces, and then just braid. I hate that sound when you're braiding hair. It sounds like you're ripping out your hair, but really my hair is just like sticks, and I'm trying to get these sticks. Okay. Now look, y'all, I know you're gonna be like, well, this one is more better. It's because of the edges. Look at these edges. See these edges? None. Edges. None. That's why I look like that. So don't be in the comment section talking about why it looks so different. Look, some people got more edges on one side than the other. Okay, now that you got your 2 braids, you're gonna take the hair down from the back. Y'all, hopefully y'all can see this because I can't turn my head around. I'm sitting up against my messy ass bed. You're gonna take, my hair is moisturized. I promise it's moisturized. So you're gonna just brush it downward. My phone is dying. Brush it downward like that, and then make sure you don't grab the other hair. Take your hair tie and just do it how you want. For me, I know it's braided, but I'm just going to do what I usually do and do that. Twist it up, and then I'm gonna tuck it through like a crochet, but it's not a crochet. Boom, baby. Second one, same deal. See if I can show y'all. Alright, then you're gonna take it, twist it around, pull it through. Y'all probably can't see that at all, but you're gonna pull it through. Boom. Oh shoot, my other thing didn't fell. Or you can take a bobby pin, y'all. If y'all not trying to be here all day like me, I just prefer like, okay, so cute. Alright, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.